Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a coach's board for ice hockey, and I'll explain it here in a second. It looks like it's by RoseFlower. I don't know what it says on the back. But let's open it up, and I'll show you all what it is and how it works. So this is cool. So the coach will kind of carry this around, and then they can open it up and check it out. Look what they've got here. They have all these different numbers and stuff, so they can have all the different team members and whatnot, and they can say, okay, let's set it up so this guy here, that guy there, so you can put the different people in the different places of where they're supposed to be for your different formations and whatnot. And then you can have it, and you can do it, and you can write down here with the little marker. You can say, okay, you go around here, you go around there. So you've got all the different stuff, and oh, that's the ball right there, the hockey puck right there. And you see the numbers are clearly written. You've got, what is it? Oh, the referee. You can even put the referees. I don't know why you'd need to know where the referees are, but if we had the referees there and then your different people around. But pretty cool. So you have this little set here, and then you can kind of set up what you want. And so even if you're, you can set it up beforehand, and you can just have it there. You can close it up and take it with you. And then when you get to your game, you can say, okay, remember our positions. Or you can just draw it up during the game and say, okay, this is where everyone's going to be. And then that's where they need to go. So pretty cool. A nice little device here. It seems good. And it's got the little dry erase marker and a little bigger eraser for it as well. And it magnetic closes. So nice little device here. Pretty cool. Thumbs up.